This is ArchiMate, one language for enterprise architecture, an open modeling language from the Open Group to describe, analyze, and communicate architecture. It unifies everything from strategy down to technology in one shared model that every stakeholder can understand. ArchiMate organizes architecture into layers. 4 core layers stack up. Strategy sets direction, business delivers services, application supports with software, and technology forms the foundation. Motivation stands crosswise, the reason behind every layer. Then implementation and migration closes at the bottom, turning plans into reality. Each layer plays its own role. Picture the framework as a grid. 3 aspect columns. Active structure, who or what acts. Behavior, what happens. Passive structure, what is acted on. Beside them, motivation, the why. The rows are colored layers. Strategy, business, application, technology. Every ArchiMate element fills one cell, so the model stays tidy and comparable. Each layer has its signature element. Strategy uses a capability, delivery service. Business uses a business process, order and delivery process. Application uses an application component, ordering app. Technology uses a node, application server. For context, motivation adds a goal, increase revenue, and implementation and migration a work package, go online project. One shared vocabulary, from strategy down to the machine. Now let's connect all 6 layers. Technology serves application, application serves business, serving arrows flow down the stack. Then business realizes a capability in strategy, and that capability realizes a goal in motivation. Realization arrows always point up toward what they fulfill. The goal gives the reason for everything, making the model whole and traceable. These are ArchiMate's strengths: one coherent model, traceability from strategy to technology, and a shared language for every stakeholder. The goal needs this capability, run by a business process, supported by an application component, on a node, while the work package delivers the change. Now continue to the per-layer videos to explore each one in depth: strategy, business, application, technology, motivation, and implementation and migration. See you in the next video.